It's not picking. Eh?
And then the baby through UPS for na frame say omo de ba ti within 1 hour time why the baby drew e be dura me frame na ye hia obi frame me ba hey sidewalk Mr. Obi frame me picking in sim why wo de me free later. Yeah, fish.
Yeah, hello, Marcus. Yeah. I'm back in the country.
Ubaye no. Wontumi nkasa.
Please, I need a little favor from you. I have to talk to you, please. It's very urgent.
Doctor for checking. Almost any doctor yari, any hospital yari. What do you mean? Oh. Na what was that? Na unya show say bia nyinsemu yare ni bi na bia unso oba be kwa wo so a otimi nyanya wa how bia tete sa. He is strange. Fish. We are Bema ne numo dra enyo. Kama to yem. Since then, who am here, my granny say, me the wasama to Makuma so say me boa. I'm a man with scan. Me nani me chima woda. But more day na yenye de yin share.
Okay, so what should I meet you?
Oh baby, I'm in office one. We drew na ubisa say baby I am a cotton aqua lunch na. Good. Ombechiro. Kama to yem. We are sim bibia no scanti minye. Bibia na yare no. Scan ni wunti na omoke kasa ansem. Se ye Dubai kra. Mema wo de nako. Why? Bomo di ne shia. Good. Okay. Bye. Fish. The great one in the Duma. Oh. Fish. You're much. Afra.
It was massive one.
Yes. Fish.
Marcus.
Dear my cousin.
Marcus. Need to cry. I don't know why you're okay. I don't know what you're okay, plans and people. But I mean, no, she has been sick. She can't even talk. She can't move. Half of her body is dead. I don't know what's wrong. Anytime I ask her what's going on with her, she can't even express herself.
Your wife?
Yes, my wife.
Utu kwai bae,
Marcus. But she said, we did not call hospital. I don't know. You would have been in here. What's in your shade? So,
What did I call hospital?
Yako hospital, oh, physics here. What's in your shade? The body know you. The giant woman and the giant, me and giant. What's in your shade?
She said, Bruce, when are we gathering with you?
I'm a giant Marcus. She can't do anything. She's dead. Her right arm is dead. It's gone. She can't do anything.
And fish ni abo tre. And no maybe say ya na meti ase. And maybe o answer no be kwa wo so no ma fa ni o maybe to see.
No, but Marcus, this is too much. I can't handle this. It's too much. It's worrying. She can't even talk. She can't express herself. Nothing.
Fish. So what's what in that hospital? Ebiana baby, I would not come. And your baby will be to my solve side issue. And I say, problem now, go with your son. Fish. The young uncle Padimao. Baby, I would do your back partner who better to be and send me for work. So if you Dubai crown, I would never corner over to now for your call. Then your process be and if I will go to Dubai.
Thank you so much.
None of them told me. Intimate now, Mao, Bow, Baby, Mao, Eba be free, we are seat. And yet, it's be beyond who better on the fish. Sene is Cassem, and I was in a corner hospital in Kitibia. Fanoko Hospital, I assume. Dubai. Maybe I wouldn't be Kubia, even say America Kurana. Mefahoka. I'm a wife of Martin. There be men now say,
why are you? I mean, Uncle Pat, you've been a good friend to me. Come on, Marcus. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I needed some peace. I mean, Marcus, thank you so much. You've done well.
No, it was a idea was sending me. If you say, "Hey, Bia," then I'm watching me. Obey.
Marcus, and then the hospital, Papa.
A hospital, then it's a hospital, and then it's
an extremely good hospital, Marcus.
And then it's a mental.
Okay.
We ya software so. And fan coffee for software be so no akwa share combo ni bi. Fan a hospital doctor papa ni biti masani yare. Na yiska yankoti aduru mra na no ane ahai. Ka bia bebia no mefa.
Thank you so much, Marcus. That's it.
Mentete. Men ha.
It's not easy.
I wasn't some the bino no. And some of the woman, then you ma wa family. We may sure say we be no wa family. Obi to me kwa was or baby no ahwere ne nkwa.
Marcus, no I don't think I'll be able to get pregnant again. I don't think I'll take it with this again.
And no the man no kwa was no mo kan ya na ese ni your walking. Baby o wa we didn't kunatem. And so my any free hospital and the ya or Jane but then the body to fee na or women cried I am more Marcus. A casa. Wow. Maybe the out to chief fan cancer with me. When the book is on the Fanuco Hospital, and I'm going
to look for a very good hospital. Marcus, I'm going to look for a very good hospital. Maybe I left her alone in the house. I was in the rush to go back. Thank you so much, guys.
And Namase.
God bless
you. Know. The young canoe. Wasn't you how I was, so yet the refuse. Fanning Conenam Sofu Bisuma name Shawun Kobu. A doctor, Papa. Bruni Doctor Kura, Pemano, no refi, Messania, the same Fahonka. Fish, Conaco Yeret.
And the rushes is here. Thank you so much, Marcus.
Champagne. Okasa ojis kan na yekwa. Nye hu hwe. Ye be to kura ye bini. Unime. Ka unime nsem sika.
Baby, where are you going? Eh? Baby, baby, come on. No, don't do this. Where are you going? Eh? Take your time, take your time. Take your time. Baby steps, okay? Come, relax. Yes. Take your time. Where are you going? Where are you going to? Hey! Baby, I want to see Marcos. He said I should take you to any hospital of our choice. Any hospital. Hey, he's going to pay for it. What are you talking about? Why are you shaking your head? Baby, I don't know what to do at this point. It's only the hospital we have to go to, okay? We just have to go to the hospital and see what's wrong. Let's try another hospital. There are better hospitals around. Okay? He said he's going to pay, so... Oh, God. Baby, what shall I do now? Baby. Oh, God. Hey! What is all this? What is all this? I can't hear a thing. What are you talking about? Maybe try. Hey. Wait. Do you want to lie down? Do you want to lie down? Lie down well. It's okay. Hey, God. Who have I sinned against? What's all this? Oh, God. Now that things are working out good for us. And this. Why? Is it from my family? Why don't they want to see us happy? Oh, God, what's this? Oh, my God. I can't take this anymore. No. What's all this? Oh, God. Oh, God. Who have I sinned against? Who have I sinned against? Who at all have I sinned against? God, please help us. Please help me. Please. God, please help me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please, God. Is it from my family? Oh, God, please. How can this happen to someone's daughter when she's even pregnant? Oh, my God. What are people going to say now that things are working better for us? What are people going to say? What's all this? Baby, it's more. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just a little, don't worry. Yeah. Just a little, it's for me, just it's for me, okay? Yes. It's good, girl. Yes. Yes. Okay, baby. Everything will be okay, okay? Just eat for me. Baby, I'll be okay. Baby, mama. It's for me. I can't knock it with you, right? Knock it with you, man. Knock it with you, please. Okay, between you. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet. Sweet, man. Okay. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Eh? You'll be fine. I'll do everything possible to make sure you're okay. Okay? Baby, that's a promise. I'll do everything possible. Okay? You'll be fine. God is in control. You'll be fine. Okay? God is in control, baby. Come in. Yes, come in. Come in. Fish. Few more here. The same thing. The Chinchin hospital's name. So getting us now, just sit, please. Uncle, sit. Baby, don't worry. Don't worry, just put your hand down. You'll be fine. Baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Say how. See, I don't know what to do. This is too much for me. Marcus, this is too much for me. Don't you know any herbalist we can take her to or something?
Fish. Send your young code this cabe buano young kubia and me my way. A dear beam na metimai.
Marcus.
If you fear Scar Matrian will you if you fear.
Well, dear, you've done well. Thank you so much, Marcus. Baby. 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 Oh, Marcus. Marcus. Why are they? Oh, maybe you. Marcus. Why are they? Mama Swally. Fish, baby. Fish, baby. Marcus, mommy. Yeah, you're right. I said, maybe. Yeah. Marcus, please, let's take her to the hospital, please. Marcus, let's be snappy. Marcus, let's be snappy. Baby, Marcus, patch up. Come on. Hey, baby.
Fish.
Hey.
Were you there, Jay?
What's it? What's it? Hey, God. Help me. Marcus, you let's take you to the hospital, okay? At least let the doctors try. No. Let them try and do something. Let's take her to the hospital, Marcus. It can't be. This can't happen. Yeah.
Emma.
Marcus.
Will you move down?
Marcus.
Oh,
come on. I said, man, I can't.
Marcus, go to camera and finish.
Marcus, they do my fan go hospital. They go to camera. Why? Me patch all
Yeah, they compare the hospital deal. Fish. Come on, to him. Let me to camera and finish him fan and pop. Me to camera.
Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Please.